In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that are low competition, high demand. These keywords have impressive analytics to them, and I'm using 4 Chrome extensions to analyze each single keyword in today's video. Now, I did a video about a few weeks ago talking about the full free Chrome extensions that I am using to analyze the profitability of Amazon KDP keywords presented here on the channel. The link to that video will be in the description box below. You can go ahead and look at that video, see it, and also be able to use all free 4 Chrome extensions to analyze your own keywords. So let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And before we do, remember to subscribe to the channel in order to be notified on all our new videos, and click on the bell icon because a lot of you are not seeing the videos because you have not clicked on the bell icon, so you don't get that notification from YouTube that we've posted a new video. And the videos that we post are all to do with passive income online. Now let's get started with the first keyword for today's video, and the first keyword is word search puzzle book for kids ages 6 to 8. Brain games for kids. So this is a wonderful long tail keyword that specifies exactly what you need to know to create your puzzle book. It's about a puzzle book that contains word search activities, and it is designed for children that are aged between 6 to 8, and it needs to be games to enhance brain function and to enhance the cognition as well and focus for children. So it has a total result of 907, which is ideal. It is under 1000, and also the keyword niche score given by self-publishing titans is 49, and the bestseller rank is 137,665. So ideally we would aim for a bestseller rank to be preferably under 400,000. The less it is, the better. And also we've got a average review of 513, an average price of $8.55. So it's basically you need to create a word search puzzle book that has a combination of brain games. So when we talk about a book such as this one, it's really important to pay attention to the cover. Make sure it is a cover that has a couple of elements that are perfect for kids. Keep it minimalistic because we are attracting kids that are ages 6 to 8, or attracting parents or caregivers who will be our customers, who will put in that rating and put in that review for the book. Also, for the sake of all the analytics here being really great and show the profitability of this keyword, I'm going to go ahead and ignore the number 5 given by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Now, in the case that the analytics here, for example, in the case that we do get a poor keyword niche score by self-publishing titans Chrome extension, and we get a really good niche score by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which can be accessed right here at the bottom left corner, then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at the analytics. First of all, is this 1000 or near 1000 or below the total results? If yes, then we're going to consider that as a point. The average bestseller is at 400,000 and less. If yes, then we're also going to consider that a point as well. And then we take into consideration what Amazon Scout Pro gives us. So for the sake of all these analytics here being great, I'm going to ignore this Amazon Scout Pro and talk about how can we make this book unique. How can we create a book for this keyword that is unique? First of all, the cover plays a big role. As you can see here, most covers are quite colorful. They are having a combination of elements to them. For example, this one has a amazing bestseller rank of 2,201, and it is priced $7.99. And as you can tell, word search for kids ages 6 to 8. There are many elements right here that are very eye-catching as well. This one is really good. We do have a couple of other ones that are selling quite well under this keyword. So first of all, the cover. Second of all, the quantity also plays a big part. Parents and caregivers that are willing to purchase a book such as this one under this keyword are looking for quality and quantity as well. For example, this one, although it is sponsored, it is offering 101 large print puzzles for adults. This one is offering more than 100 challenging fun activities for smart kids. So the more that you're able to offer in your book, 50, 100, for example, this one offers 50. The more you are able to offer in terms of quantity, the better the chance that your book is going to sell, because usually these are used for either trips, they're used for the summer holidays, for example, any sort of long holidays, to get the kids preoccupied and to get the kids busy. Also, keywords such as this one, if you use keywords such as smart kids, challenging, fun, activities, these kind of things are really catchy, they're really engaging, they kind of elicit a lot of feelings within the customer as well. So we've got the keywords, we've got the cover, and we also have the quantity. Next is the interior as well. Really does play a big role when it comes to these things, and also choosing the right categories as well. For example, this one is in the wrong category. It is in the children's photography book. It does not have anything to do with photography, unfortunately. So when choosing the categories, please make sure you choose the right categories. For example, this one is listed in children's word games books, which is a great category as well to choose. So you can also access interiors available at Creative Fabrica, available at Etsy. Please make sure that if you do access interiors for this keyword, make sure that they are available for commercial use. And this is what is great about Creative Fabrica, is that all the interiors, KDP interiors, are available for commercial use. Now, linked in the description box below this video, you will find a link for a 30-day free trial for Creative Fabrica, all access free trial. You'll be able to go ahead and join the free trial and download the interiors that you need to get started with. And then after the free trial ends, if you'd like to continue, up to you. If not, then go ahead and cancel, no catches included. So the keyword word search puzzle book for kids ages 6 to 8, brain games for kids, keyword new score of 49. Let's head over to the second keyword for the day, and the second keyword is camping word search puzzle book. Camping word search puzzle book has a keyword niche score of 39, and the total results are 1,560. Bestseller rank is quite high, being 748,272, and the average price is $8.60. Now, what is important for you to know is that although we do have slightly higher bestseller rank, and a couple of elements here and there, this is a quite profitable niche that you'll be able to create a couple of books for. Of course, your main focus, if you are looking for consistent quick sales as well, is to focus on the first keyword that we discussed. But I do want you to expand. I do want you to consider other book niches as well, and other branches of the word search puzzle book. So you could also sub niche, for example, create camping word search puzzle book for seniors, for adults, for children, and then go ahead and sub niche even further for based on the gender and based on the age group and on the theme of the word search. For example, do you want it to be more of a summer one? Do you want it to be brain games? Do you want it to be a nature focused? All these kind of things. Another thing that I didn't mention about the previous keyword, and this also is included in this keyword as well, is apart from the quantity and the quality of the cover and the interior, and as well as using some creative keywords such as smart, challenging, fun, these kind of things in your title or subtitle, it's really essential to focus on creating large print, especially when you are creating for children. Create a large print book, a large size book that really it's really easy for kids to see and to use, and it needs to be an 8.5 times 11 inches. So you can go ahead and create books for that. There's no point creating 6x9 or any other size besides 8.5 times 11. So do keep that in mind. So camping word search puzzle book, great keyword to focus on. I wouldn't invest too much time and energy in this one. My energy would be more dedicated towards the first one, but this is something that you can also do and embark on as well, and look to sub niche if this is something that you are interested in. Let's have a look at the third keyword for today's video. And the third keyword for today's video is cursive handwriting workbook for adults beginners. It has a keyword niche score of 42. Total results are quite high. I understand it is quite high, but it is under 5,000. So it's something that we can create a book or two about, and also use Pinterest. Pinterest is a powerful social media platform that you can advertise your KDP books on. And I find that personally, the workbook style books that are either for adults or children do sell really, really well on Amazon using Pinterest marketing. So if you have not yet started Pinterest, highly recommend you do. Let me know in the comment section below if you'd like me to make a detailed video about my Pinterest strategy. So keyword niche score 42. Total results of 4,665. Yes, high, I know, but it is worth it because of the bestseller rank being 312,483. There are a lot of books that are selling quite easily, quite high for this one. Also, we've got the average reviews of 650 and the average price of $9.27. Now, scrolling through, we do have a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a keyword niche score of number 7, categorizing this as a nice niche. And we do have books that are selling quite well under this as well. And you can access interiors on Creative Fabrica. Just make sure you edit them. So once you do have the interior from Creative Fabrica, you download it. There is a PDF document. You want to upload that PDF document to any sort of editing software that you use. I personally prefer Canva, so I go ahead and I upload that PDF to Canva, and then I make some simple edits. I take out some elements, I add in some elements as well, I add in a border, anything to make it a little bit different and unique. Also, I add in some a page or two, for example, how to use page, a doodling page and so forth, just to add in that extra value as well. So cursive handwriting workbook for adults is our third and final keyword for today's video. If you have enjoyed this video, please make sure you like the video, support the channel. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.